Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We're here to do our DIY wipes. We need a container for a paper towel, 2 cups of water, and you may add essential oil. This is optional if you want your wipes to have a fruity smell. And we also need alcohol. This is 70% isopropyl. Need a container, measuring cup, and a kitchen paper towel, and also a knife to cut the paper towel. Let's start by placing the container side by side with the paper towel so that we can cut the towel according to desired length to fit the container. You may use marker to make your job easier, but for me, I will cut it right away. Here I'm using a bread knife, but you may use any knife that you want as long as you cut the paper towel. It is best to use a paper towel because it won't break easily once it is soaked with the solution. You may use a clean chopping board to avoid damaging your table. Our next step is to remove the paper towel core. After removing the core, we will place the paper towel inside the container. If it won't fit, you may remove some layers of the paper towel. Now that the core is gone, you may pull a paper towel starting from the middle. Set this aside and we will continue with our solution. Put 2 cups of water in your mixing bowl. I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video that you need 1 tablespoon of dishwashing soap. Next is 1 cup of isopropyl alcohol. Next is the essential oil, which is optional. And then mix it well. And now, we will pour our solution in our prepared paper towel. Make sure that all the paper towel will get wet. I used half of the prepared solution, and for the remaining, I will use it for the other half of the paper towel that I cut. Now we need an opening to get our wipes from this container. I will make a cross-shaped cut using a sharp knife. Your knife might slide, so be very careful in doing this cut. Then pull the end of the paper towel through the lid before you cover it. That's the end of our tutorial for our DIY wipes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.